welcome back to the channel. I had Mr. Mike here from Steel Rose Metal Company in Memphis. He invited me over. We're going to put this here Model A together that you see. As you can see right now, it's mass chaos. We've got a frame, cab, and Mike, is there anything you want to say to introduce everything that we got going on?
No, check out Mr. Gillis, G2 Fabrication, Steel Rose Metal Co., Hot Rod Blues, Auto Enthusiast Network, Kingfish Metal Works. They're the guys that are putting in all the work, along with a massive amount of guys that always step in to do this crazy stuff. And hopefully, knock on metal, we'll have a running, driving hot rod by Sunday afternoon.
Yep, I've had a lot of people kind of question if it's going to be done, but I think it's going to be done.
We're raising the bar. Actually, we've done kind of a pre to this scrappy car that we built out of scrap parts. We did that in 2 days at another show, but it wasn't quite to the level that we're doing this car. So, you know, we try to up the bar, and really, I think at the end of the day, we want to fail.
Oh yeah.
We want to find where that line is at. We haven't found it yet. We're looking for it. This might be it. Who knows?
Well, we're going to give it a go.
Successfully do this, and we'll raise the bar next year.
Yes, sir. So y'all just follow along. It's going to be a good build. It's going to be a good show, and we're here to give y'all some entertainment. Y'all follow along. Right now we're just, you see back here, we got some work going on the chassis, getting some stuff welded up. Eventually just gonna take this cab, obviously gonna go on the chassis. You know, you can't drive a truck without a, without a cab. So it's gonna go on after it gets chopped, and I wanted to give y'all a little update real quick of what we got going on. You know, all the welding, grinding, cutting, fitting, the assembly. So this is just the first part of it. So y'all keep following along. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe as we're doing this. Thank you.
How's it going, guys? My name is Mike Abbott. We are here at the Memphis Legends Motor Mayhem at the historic, to us in the Memphis area, Summer Drive-In. Thanks Malco Theaters for letting us put this out here. So what we're doing here is, along with the car show, we also have vendors. People are putting on demonstrations all across here. But the main thing we're doing is we're taking a 1931 Ford. We're going to take this 31 Ford, we're going to put it on 1932 Ford frame rails that have been pinched. Small block Ford, AOD transmission, of course, I-beam front end. We're going to keep it as old school as humanly possible with the exception of the 302. But along with that, we've taken the 31 Ford body, cut 4.5 inches out of the roof. Of course, we had to chop the rear sub rails and arch those to go with the 32 frame. We're going to get this roof sealed back up, put it on as cleanly as humanly possibly. Then we'll get it on that frame, get it plumbed, get it wired, get all the systems checked, get steering done, and the goal is by tomorrow afternoon to take this 1931 Ford and do burnouts in the parking lot. So 2 days, team of probably, there's probably 15 of us total, are gonna take the 2 days, build an entire car from trailer loads of parts. There was nothing put together, there was none of that. We just came out here with a trailer full of parts, put it together, turned it into a hot rod right here in front of everybody at the show.
because your daddy gave it to you.
It's raining. The top is chopped. They about got the engine in. The cab will probably be going on first thing in the morning. We got one more corner to weld up. There's a lot to chop in those tops to make it look right. So, and it looks good. It's gonna look good. It's gonna be running tomorrow. A lot of people didn't think it could be done, but yeah, it's gonna be done. It's just crazy that it came from a bare frame in this cab with really not much done to it at all. I mean, a few bars added, but I mean, it's got the rear end under it, it's got the front end, motor, transmissions in it, all the brackets are done, the brakes are hooked up. It was an accomplishment. To me, it was. But anyway, y'all be sure to like, share, subscribe. Y'all can see some more of this cool stuff. It's day 2. We got a lot done yesterday. They got the top chopped right here, as you can see. You got to finish doing some welding on this cab here so we can set it. We'll go ahead and get this thing running today. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we're pretty much wrapping up for today, and I really want to thank Mike here from Steel Rose Metal Company for inviting me over for this build. You can tell them a little bit about the build.
Yeah, so it was kind of a secret initially. Matt Marion, guy that we did this car for, he bought it with his dad, and it was kind of a soft spot for him. So we knew we were doing this to dedicate it to his dad. We got it all wrapped up pretty decent. It definitely brought our team closer. We were happy to have you come along. For your first year, you did great.
Thank you.
You did amazing.
All right, everybody, that's going to be a wrap for today. We didn't actually get to see it drive. Brakes weren't all that great, and the owner didn't really want to chance it. I understand, but it could have been drove. It fired up. Y'all see that. But yeah, y'all thanks for watching. You know, it was a fun time, a lot of time. But yeah, y'all just be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. There'll be more.